Another area hit hard by Ian is Bonita Springs. We're hearing from people who rode out the storm and say it got so bad they wish they would have evacuated. Search and rescue efforts now underway. Local 10's Andrew Perez reports.
Talking to residents, we've learned there were so many people who rode out this storm and close to water, no less. But take a look at this. It's scenes like this that kind of demonstrate exactly why this is such a big search and rescue operation that's going on right now across Southwest Florida. The bigger threat, however, was the storm surge.
There's been a lot of sirens go through.
And residents pause and watch those crews roll by, working around the clock to get to people still stranded after the floodwaters that overtook Southwest Florida.
I mean, there was 7 foot of water came through our neighborhood.
There were a lot of fatalities in the canal homes because they're right on the canals and no one expected, I guess, the amount of water.
Crews from South Florida among those heroes, working day in and day out as some parts of the area from Bonita Springs north still try to dry out. Relatives taking to social media, posting heartbreaking photos of their loved ones needing help. The water rising for hours, and one resident after another saying they really didn't expect it was going to be this bad.
It's the aftermath of Ian with my mom. I got her up on the table, wrapped up so she doesn't go into hypothermia. You see the water outside is still up to the window.
Homes are damaged, some like this one well beyond repair. Residents say this storm was life-changing and they're working to figure out what comes next.
Boats on the roads, people crying, losing their life savings. It's very sobering what life is, really.
There are still millions of residents across Southwest Florida without power. The governor saying hundreds of people have been rescued so far. Those efforts still continue. That's the latest here in Bonita Springs. I'm Andrew Perez, Local 10 News.